Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Two-Face Idibia's baby mama Kwera slams 500 million lawsuit against Idibia, demands public apology. Let's check out the story. Adeniyi, the mother of two Baba's three kids, have initiated legal actions against the legendary singer's wife Annie for malicious and libelous online publication made in September. On Friday, Ms. Adeniyi served Mrs. Idibia a lawsuit notice written on her behalf by her solicitor, Okonjo-Iweala and Abi, in which she demanded a retraction and 500 million as damages. In the lawsuit notice dated November 10th, Kwera's lawyer referenced Annie's Instagram outburst and audio tape, which went viral weeks ago. In the viral audio tape, Annie alleged that her husband, Baba, packed his bags and came to America to see Kwera and his other kids. Kwera's lawyers stated that these allegations are blatantly false, misrepresent facts, and portrayed Kwera as an individual with loose morals. Annie was further accused of engaging in malicious and libelous online publication, which subjected Kwera and her kids to online harassment and bullying. Kwera is now demanding a retraction, an apology, and 500 million naira for reputation damages and the retraction of the allegations within 72 hours upon receipt of the letter containing the lawsuit. Her lawyer also stated that contrary to the allegations made via Mrs. Idibia's viral audio recordings, her husband Baba did not visit Kwera in America. The petition also revealed that contrary to Macaulay's post, Adeniyi made independent plans for vacation to Disneyland with her children in 2018, and they claimed that that trip coincided with Baba's business trip to Orlando, and that Adeniyi and Macaulay had agreed that Baba would visit the children at Disneyland. Pero Adeniyi's solicitors claimed that Annie Macaulay's outburst on Instagram were malicious, disparaging, and false information of a defamatory nature to Kwera, which subjected her to online bullying. According to her lawyers, Kwera does not have direct communication with Baba, the father of her children. This lawsuit is coming on the heels of an emotional and moving apology Annie posted on her Instagram page on her 37th birthday on Saturday over a recent Instagram outburst. Well, how is this going to end? We keep our fingers crossed as we bring you more updates in line with this. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.